Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload BOM to your JLCPCB. So, all right. Now, first thing what we need to do is head over here to the get instant quote, just like that. And yeah, we will navigate ourselves right here to PCB assembly. We will turn this on, but as you can see, we need to upload Gerber file first. So right here at the top, we need to choose Gerber files. So just like that, open up, it will load up. All right, we need to wait a few moments. And now we can go down again, turn this on. Okay, so here we need to do dimensions we need to put in. All right, a few changes, and now this should work. All right. All right, so as you can see right here, we now need to select which side we will assemble, so top side or bottom side. Then we have here PCBR type, assembly side, PCBR quantity, tooling holes, stencil storage, and so on. All right. Now, if we are happy with that, just click next. Okay, so I will change here. Just quick like that. Next. All right. And now we have it here, top and bottom. But what we need to do is head over here because we need to add BOM to block and select your format spreadsheet document. Okay, so as you can see here, under the bill of material, we need to add BOM file. So if you have it, you need to have it in Excel file or CSV file saved. So now what you just need to do is just import it. All right, so add BOM file. Now we just need to find it where it is. All right, it's right over here, I think. Okay, and click OK, just like that. And yeah, now the second thing is what we need to do is click add CPL file right beside it to upload your corresponding component placement list, pick and place coordinate file. And when you do that, just process BOM and CPL file. It will take a few moments, but when it's finished, you will just review component flags. The web system will analyze your document columns and attempt automated part recognition, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the